Hey guys, welcome back to Diego Reynoso. So today, we figured out to make a Lamborghini sound. So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Lamborghini sound. So how you're gonna do it is me and my dad find this thing, and then we bent it up side to side right here. And then after you're done doing that, like you bent it up like this. So you go like bah, bah. But the thing is you put it to your mouth like this, and then you only hold it with the two things, two fingers under the bottle right here. And then we go like this. So it's pretty loud and it sounds pretty real. You should try it. It's really cool. I trolled somebody over there, and I went like, and then he was looking down the street, and then he was and I said LOL, and then he said, and then he was looking around. It was funny. So yeah. See you guys. Bye.